Now freestyle, this is it. Cabbage and saltfish served with pineapple ginger dumpling, white yam and banana. Freestyle, it survives. We're talking about some real creative cooking or rain freestyle way. Guys, I must tell you, this pineapple ginger dumpling, you don't need nothing to eat with it.
Kaboom! You know it's Warlord representing for Hooray Freestyle Adventures! What am I say? Tell them fix them dentures. Kaboom!
Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. Welcome back. Hope you're having an amazing day. Freestyle, as you can see in the title below, it's all about a creative cooking kind of day. And we're talking about some pineapple ginger dumpling with some cabbage and saltfish. Yes, you hear me? Cabbage and saltfish with pineapple ginger dumpling. So, before we go any further, guys, remember to like, share, and comment. If you haven't yet subscribers yet, hit the subscription button. Join the freestyle movement. Now it's time for us to get creative in the kitchen, the Hooray freestyle way. You know the vibe. Freestyle, our main feature for this video, guys, is our pineapple ginger dumpling. Yes, pineapple ginger dumpling. And as you can see, we have some ginger and we have some pineapple. I got my blender out, some flour. So what I'm going to do now, freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and we're going to blend our pineapple and our ginger. Then we're going to take it from there. So just stay tuned, freestyle. You don't want to miss this one. It is exclusive by yours truly, Hooray freestyle. You know the vibe. So first thing you want to do, freestyle, you want to get your pineapple in. And I'm going to cut my pineapple in pieces. Cut my pineapple in pieces. Then we're going to blend the pineapple and the ginger together. Freestyle, I call this one the creative cooking by yours truly, Hooray freestyle. So just stick and stay. I think I'll just use that amount of pineapple. And then we're gonna have some ginger. So here you have it. After adding our ginger, guys, we're gonna put some water in it. Then it's time to blend. After blending, what we're going to do in our freestyle, we're going to strain the liquid in a separate container. So we are straining the juice of the ginger and the pineapple in a separate container. And then we're going to use this juice to knead our flour. Now freestyle, after we blend our pine and ginger, you know it's time to knead up the flour. So guys, I love when my dumpling having a little bit of cornmeal in it, so I'll go ahead and add a small amount of cornmeal. A small amount of cornmeal. Then we're going to add a small amount of salt. You know the vibes. Then freestyle, after adding our salt, we're going to mix up everything together. And then the juice, our pineapple ginger juice, we're going to use it to make our dough. We're going to use it to knead our flour. Freestyle, I want to know I'm going to normal in a freestyle. I can tell you from now. From the smell of the pine and the ginger, guys, I can tell that this is going to be very tasty, very delicious. Trust me. Pineapple ginger dumpling by yours truly, Hooray freestyle. I want to have a wicked freestyle. Sometimes we just stick at the everyday food and we just want to put a twist of things on. You know what I mean? Just try to be creative. So right here I'm kneading up my flour. And as I said before guys, the smell of the ginger and the pineapple is just a buzz. Kneading up. And to go with our pineapple ginger dumpling, we're gonna make some cabbage and saltfish. So that's the next vibe right there, freestyle. So just stick and stay guys. If you haven't yet subscribed to the channel as yet guys, I'm asking you please to just hit the subscription button. Help your boy to grow. It's a new channel and I appreciate all the support we can get. In the meantime, we knead up the flour with the pineapple ginger juice. So freestyle, our dough is now prepped as you can see for yourself. So while the pot is on the stove boiling up freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and start the preparation of my saltfish and my cabbage in the meanwhile. So just stick and stay freestyle, you know the vibes. Pineapple ginger dumpling or rain freestyle way. Freestyle that one and now normal, that one that trust me. Stick and stay guys, soon come back, you know the vibes, freestyle. So freestyle, in the meantime and between time, you know the saltfish is salt. So I'm going to put the saltfish to cook in the meantime. It's been a while I haven't seen this kind of saltfish. It's been a while I haven't seen this. But I always use the one in the pot that is boneless. But for the first time in a while I'm using this one. So I'm going to put the saltfish to cook. Wash the salt off it, then we're going to put it on the stove to cook because we want to get rid of some of the salt out of it. So freestyle, right here are the recipe for my cabbage and saltfish. Right here I have a cabbage, carrots, scallion, thyme, scotch bonnet pepper, sweet pepper, onion, all-purpose seasoned black pepper, tomato. Now freestyle, I'm going to go ahead and start the preparation of my natural season and my cabbage. So just stay tuned. Freestyle, you know the vibes. Now freestyle, in the meantime and between time, it's time for us to make our ginger pineapple dumpling. What is boiling up and it's now time for us to make our dumpling. Pineapple ginger dumpling, freestyle, I want to know normal, you know. It's the first time I'm trying it, but I can tell you guys, it survives. Just the smell of the ginger combined with the pineapple together guys, and I'm telling you, it survives. Can't wait to dive down in this one freestyle. I will give you the review on it and trust me, I hope you will try it and I hope you will like it. Sometimes in the kitchen we just have to just use our hand and make fashion, you get what I mean? Creative cooking. Yeah man, sometimes we just stick at the everyday food and we just need to just, you know what I mean, do some little twisting and some little winding and just put some things together and just make it work. As I'm doing right now, it's all about fruits and flour with some veg as we're doing cabbage and saltfish. Freestyle doesn't get any better than this. So I'm making my dumplings. Then we're going to cut up the cabbage and then we're going to steam down our cabbage and saltfish nice and lovely. So just stay tuned freestyle. In the meantime, just subscribe if you haven't subscribed as yet. You know the vibes. So freestyle, is now time to start the cooking of our cabbage and saltfish. And as you can see guys, I have my cabbage over here prepped, my saltfish and my natural season. First I'm going to put my natural season in so that the season for the salt here for a minute or two, then we're going to have the cabbage. for my cabbage and saltfish, guys, I'm using coconut oil. So my season is being sauteed as I want to get the flavor out of the season into our cabbage. So freestyle, while my natural season is being sauteed, I'll go ahead and add my saltfish. Then you want to stir everything together. Now it's time for us to go ahead and add our cabbage. So I'm now going to cover the pot and I'm going to allow my cabbage to take it only the time and steam the right and proper. Now freestyle, after steaming for a few minutes, you want to get a spoon. You're going to stir your cabbage so you get your season all over. Here you have it. I will go ahead, add a small amount of black pepper. Small amount of all-purpose season. Then we're going to go ahead and stir again. After which we're going to cover our cabbage and leave it to steam the right and proper way. Cabbage and saltfish served with pineapple ginger dumpling. Guys, it doesn't get any better than this. Now freestyle, this is it. Cabbage and saltfish served with pineapple ginger dumpling, white yam and banana. Freestyle, it survives. We're talking about some real creative cooking or rain freestyle way. Guys, I must tell you, this pineapple ginger dumpling, you don't need nothing to eat with it. It is so delicious, full of taste, and I must tell you guys, it survives. I'm now gonna go ahead and dish out this food and just dig on into it. Guys, if you have never tried it before, go ahead and try it. Pineapple ginger dumpling are the baddest thing, baddest thing. Along with my cabbage and saltfish freestyle, it survives. Yes, Freestyle Nation, the time is now, and we're talking about creative cooking at its best. We're talking about pineapple ginger dumpling, white yam banana served with cabbage and saltfish. And I must tell you, freestyle, these pineapple ginger dumpling is just simply amazing. Guys, you don't need no meat in your plate to eat this dumpling. The taste, the flavor is just a vibe. Now freestyle, I'm about to dig into this colorful dish. So until next time, catch you in the next one. You know the vibes. Freestyle. Like, share and comment. If you haven't yet subscribed as yet, the subscription button, join the movement. freestyle.